I'm curious, Eddie, what do you make of how this shakes out with Trump's blue-collar employees ending up entangled in a conspiracy charge? I mean, they're facing some serious jail time, and they are forced to make impossible choices here.
Yeah, I hope they make the right choice. We see this in the context of Jan 6, the thousands of people who have been arrested, and some who have been convicted, and we see Trump still not being held to account just yet. I think one of the things that we do know, Alex, is that the investigation is ongoing. We don't know what Jack Smith has here, and this is just another indication that this case is strong, and that Donald Trump should understand that he's in the crosshairs, as it were. But it's always the case that everyday ordinary people, for this guy, seems to take the fall. And I hope they understand that he's not really behind them and that they stand on the side of justice as opposed to on the side of the charlatan.
Yeah, he always demands loyalty from his employees or anybody associated with him, but he does not always give it back. We know that for a fact. Sadie de Oliveira is the person of whom we're speaking here, this maintenance man. He's set to make his first court appearance on Monday. What are you expecting there?
I think this will be a pretty perfunctory court appearance, much like the ones that we saw for Walt Nauta and Trump. He probably will go in, make an appearance, perhaps plead guilty. Trump and Nauta are not expected to be there. They do have to get arraigned on these new charges at some point, but the Justice Department has said that it would support having them not appear in court for that. We know that when they do appear in court, Trump in particular, obviously, this becomes a circus-like atmosphere, and it gives him essentially another chance to generate, so like a little almost campaign rally is what we saw when he appeared for his court appearance in Miami. So they won't be there. Carlos will. And I think it'll be a pretty much a box checking exercise at this point.